Hi everybody, this is Dennis Lindsay with Berkshire Hathaway Home Services, giving you your South Lake Tahoe 2023 Real Estate Annual Report. But before we get into the numbers on that, I've written a few notes. I'd just like to read them about what's going on or what happened last year. 2023 provided to be a challenging period for the housing market, marked by a continuation of negative trends in late of 2022. The ultimately evolved into the least affordable year on record, for home buyers. Traditionally, seasonal patterns faltered with the absence of the usual spring home buying season. The inventory remained historically low throughout the year, contributing to a significant decline in sales. As a matter of fact, I believe South Lake Tahoe was upwards of 30% down in closings in 2023. The market's difficulty was underscored by the fact that over half the recent home buyers found the process of buying a home and getting a loan very, very difficult. High interest rates, a lot of buy downs, and the interest rate buy downs were requested by sellers to help out, things like that. Several factors contributed to this. Including high record mortgage rates, elevated inflation, and persistently high housing and rental prices. If I remember correctly, the interest rates at one point were upwards of 8.1%. Might have gone a little higher than that. We're below 7 right now. I looked this morning, we were down below 7. So, things are looking a little bit better for the beginning of 2024. But let's get into the numbers. Bear with me a second until I get it here. Okay, so we're going to break this into two different categories. We're going to break it into the city of South Lake Tahoe, within the city limits, and then out in the county for the closings there. So in the city, we had a total of 226 homes that sold last year. The average list price for that was $669,000. They sold for $642,500. And they were on the market for an average of 79 days. So in other words, the time they listed till the time they closed escrow was averaging about 79 days. They did get the sales ratio, which means they got 96% of the asking price. So those are the numbers for the city. Let me get on to the county. In the county, we had 157 total transactions or homes sold last year. The average list price was $779,000. The average sale price was $778,000. They were on the market for a little less time, about 83 days on the market, and they sold for 97% of the asking price. So, looking into 2024, I don't know if you have plans to buy or sell real estate, and if it's on your goals for 2024, but love to help you. I've been doing South Lake Tahoe real estate for upwards of 40 years now, so you don't have anybody new. And if I can answer any questions you might have, or you want a little more in-depth on the sales, where they sold, that kind of thing, I can pinpoint it a little bit more for you if you need to. Anyway, if you have any questions at all, or anybody know anybody that's out looking to buy or sell, my name's Dennis Lindsay. I can be reached at 530-318-2369, and thanks for listening to me. Bye-bye.